It is time for another random video game repair. Take it away, William. Ooh, mystery game. Let's go. Thank you, William. Mystery games. Nobody knows what's on these games. We got this game. Got this game. And we got this game. We are going to work on one game that is very intriguing, and that my sister, I think, will find very interesting. So this one's for you, Amanda. So, story time. While Amanda, the sister, was walking, I don't know, somewhere, she spotted a game on the floor. On the ground. I don't know the floor. It's the floor of the ground floor. Anyways, she found a random game, and we have no idea what it is. So I have no idea what it is, and this is going to be very interesting, and hopefully it is a cool, awesome game. So, let's go ahead and grab a Game Boy and see if it will work. You know what time it is. Bam. All right. Let's see. Will it work? And will this be a quick video? And it will work. Oh my gosh. It's Lord of the Rings. Well, I guess we never plugged it into a game. Interesting. For some reason, the game will not go beyond that point. Interesting. Well, let's clean the pins up real quick. Maybe that's the problem. I guess I spoke too soon. I guess we have a little bit of repair to do. Pop it open. And how do the pins look? Not too shabby. Let's go and clean them up. Zooby zooby zoo, zooby zooby zoo. Alright, some great coming up. And we are using the Wyman Gloss Stovetop Cleaner and Polish because I didn't say it, but yes, we are using that. And clean it off. And whabang. Look at that shine. Birdie. Birdie. Beautiful birdie. Pretty beautiful birdie. Alright. A little bit of touch of alcohol. Alright. What do you guys think? Will it work flawlessly now? We're going for it. We're going for the confidence case screw. Alright. Lord of the Rings. New Line Cinema. Oh, there it goes. EA Games. Challenge everything. EA Games. Crypto Knight. Or Gryptonite. Was that Gryptonite? That's the way I see it first. Load game. How popular was this game with the person? How far did they get? Aragorn. What? Why is that blinking? What the heck is this design? Alright. The whole thing's blinking. Aragorn, can I go over here? Oh, there we go. Aragorn, Caradaras Mountains, level 3. Oh, Frodo, East Mountains, West Woods, level 8. Okay, well, they actually... Well, who does that? They went for 1, and then they went down to right. Why? Who does that? Why would they go from here to here? That doesn't... That just bothers me so much. Okay, so let's try... Let's just try a new game. Why not, man? Experience. How come we can't do it? A button to load. B button? What happened? It went back. Load game. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, multiplayer. What? Oh, that froze. Okay, options. Well, let's hear the music. Nothing. Fast discard on. Is this a card game? What kind of languages do we got? Finnish. I mean, well, Finnish. Oh my gosh. English, Netherlands, French. How do I get Finnish? My brain's not working. Anyways, English, Netherlands, France, Dutch, Italiano, and Espanol. Oh, wait, hold up. Options, credits, beautiful. The test of Kryptonite games. The test of any good game. Do we have a fast forward button? No, but we can press B. They get 10 points for that. Also, the music was delightful. Alright, very cool. I like it. So let's go ahead and just start a new game, test it out, and just make sure it works 1000%. Aragorn is a ranger strong and skilled with blades. He is the rightful king of Gondor. Spoilers. Gandalf the Grey is a well-known master of arcane magic and wielder of Flame of Enor. Frodo is the ring bearer, a hobbit whose cleverness and agility help keep him alive. Legolas is a noble elven prince, deadly accurate with his bow and trained in wild wilderness lore. Eowyn is the niece of the king of Theoden, of Rohan, and is strong and independent, beautiful woman. And she makes poisoned stew. Cool, let's go for Aragorn. Nice, very somatic, I like it. Nice. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Is this Helm's Deep? Why is it moving automatically? Aragorn! Eowyn, if you're going to remain here, you'll need a sword. Theoden has sent me to the caves to protect the refugees. I only want to give my blessing. It is an honorable charge. Aragorn, something more than the approaching enemy worries you. What is it? I cannot but wonder if this cursed quest could have unfolded differently. Poor Frodo. Who? Guess she didn't know who Frodo was. Well, Frodo didn't know Legolas, and she didn't know Frodo. Okay. He is a friend I swore to protect before leaving Rivendell, but in the safety of Elrod's house. How could we know what perils awaited us? From Rivendell, we headed east over the misty mountains. It's an exposition dump with actual, like, flashbacks. Bold development choice. Okay. From Rivendell, we headed east over the misty mountains to the pass of Caradaras. What? What'd I do? Oh, cool. That's sick. Aragorn with an incredible flailing action. Oh, that's cool. I just destroyed it. Can I do that? No, I can't do that. Well, that's a kind of an unsettling feel to it. What's that? Oh, cool. How do I pick up the pile of gems? How do you... Oh, okay, it's the R button. We've deciphered that. Why am I shaking so much? Let's try that. Cool. I wonder what the gems do. Oh my gosh. Well, they got pitchforks. They got like tridents or something. Why do they have tridents? Well, actually, it wouldn't be tridents because tridents have, 3 tines. I don't know if that's everything. A flock of Sarabane. If allowed to escape, they will alert the enemy. Just disintegrated a crow. Don't worry about it. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty cool. Well, Amanda, we solved the mystery. Very cool. I like that. That's kind of nice. All right. One game to rule them all. And in the darkness find them. Okay, so let's go ahead and look that up. How much is this worth? All right. And just to confirm, this is actually Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers. And actually found one that had no label for $12.99, sold, free shipping. So, yeah, it would be probably worth selling. But I'm going to keep this one, I think. So, I think that was a little too easy. But before we continue, Obviously have to make a label. Lord of the Rig. Perfect. And also, Goodwill merch. Alright. Lord of the Rings to Two Towers. But that was too easy. That game's really fun, though, and I like the music. But let's go ahead and we're going to just go ahead and do this. Blah, blah, blah. Let me think. Do we go... Which one do we go with? We'll save this one. Let's go ahead and fix this one, too. Why not? And let's see. Does this one work? I gotta switch the battery out. It's faster to reload your secondary battery than to buy a new one. Finally, we can actually test the game out. Does it work? It does not work. Alright, and this goes pretty much the same procedure as the Game Boy Advance game. This one just gets opened. Put our utility scalpel knife thing here in the corner. Alright, a little powdery white residue on there. And how do we look? Looks a little funky down there, doesn't it? Just right down here by this ROM chip. Huh, almost looks like maybe a bridge. We'll check that out in a minute. Probably just needs to be cleaned up though. If the DS game does not work after cleaning, it is completely dead. Any guesses to the game? Probably Nintendogs or something. So definitely some gray coming up. We're gonna hit it a little bit more with some glass stovetop cleaner. Just made a big old mess. Let's keep going. Whee! Dang, that's picking up a lot of gray. Still a little bit more. How much gray it's picking up still. That's crazy. And that's the first real pass through. It's looking okay. It's got a lot of wear on those contacts. All right, let's clean up a little more alcohol and then we'll get that ROM chip cleaned up a little bit too. Alright, there we go. And looking pretty good. Let's take a look at this case real quick. This is needing some TLC. That's kind of funny. It's just hanging out there. Alright, so should clean this inside of this case up. Where'd my paper towels go? There they are. And clean this up a little bit. Looks like we might have a break down there. No, actually looks okay. I thought I was going to see some stress fractures when we put this back together, but I think we're okay. Now we just take this, clean this back of this board off a little bit too. Okay. Okay, now we can just pinch this back together, test it out, and see if we get little signs of life. Oh, we do. Oh, there it is. It's Clubhouse Games. It's Clubhouse Games. I played this game as a kid, or when I was younger. All right. Yeah, all the stamps and missions. I remember going into Sam's Club, I believe, back in the day. I saw this game, and I'm like, well, it's a cool game. And Dad's like, you want it? I said, sure. And he goes, okay, go ahead and get it. So I still have my copy somewhere in a drawer. It's actually kind of a fun game. You can do like card games and stuff. Blackjack, let's go. Oh wow, look how fancy that name is. Elia. Okay, enter your bet. Let's go. How much money do they have? Can we sell? Oh, 100 chips, yeah. Let's go ahead and do 50. Okay, got 12. Double down, why not? Sure. I know what I'm doing. 20. Oh, we got 21 on that. You know what I was thinking? I was going to split the cards there. I don't know what I was thinking, but it worked out beautifully. Battle. Tie? That's a ripoff. We all want. Jeez. That's garbage. We all won $100. It was all just a push. All right. Yeah, this game is pretty cool. You know, I used to play a lot back in the day. Back before all this stuff. Let's try darts. Beautiful. We got Old Maid, Spit, Double It, Sevens, Memory, Pig, Blackjack, Hearts, President, Rummy, 7 Bridge, Last Card Plus, 5 Card Draw, Texas Hold'em, Nap, Spades, Contact Bridge, Chinese Checkers, Checkers, Dots and Boxes, Hashimisogi? Turncoat, Connect 5, Grid Attack, Backgammon, Chess, Soji, Phil Tactics, Ludo, Soda Shake, Dominoes, Koi, I don't even know Japanese. Word Balloon, Bowling, Darts, Billiards, Ballots, Takeover, Solitaire, Escape, and Mahjong. So I have a lot of things on free play. Yeah, I was going to check out one of these things. This one, Soda Shake. The idea of this game is you grab the bottle, you shake it, and you have to pass it off. If you shake it too much, it explodes. Also, our battery is slightly dying. Sending out Morse code. Alright, that's cool. Chat display, auto sort hints, tips, open room, Picto chat search. How do we look at their profile? Icon, name. They get class for that. Just look at how beautiful they made their name. 10 out of 10 name. Alright, well. Aside from mild nostalgia, what is this game worth? Clubhouse Games for the DS. Probably not a lot, but we'll check it out anyways. Alright, I'm dying from allergies, but we're keep going on. The game is actually worth, if it had a label, it'd be worth like $9 or $10. So, it would have been good to sell, but it's probably worth about, I don't know, $8. Probably not worth it right now to sell. That's okay. Ain't nobody getting into this game again. Nice little smiley face. Whee! There we go. And of course, we have to make a label. Should actually put that up this way. There we go. Goodwill pen again. Clubhouse Games, smiley face. Well, we saved 2 games, 2 mystery games, and now we have closure. Well, Amanda, it was Lord of the Rings, the 2 Towers, very interesting game. That's kind of fun. And Clubhouse Games. Not bad at all. Well, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Texas is killing me.